last time you celebrated? Think about that. Take a breath. Self-celebration is your birthright. Joy is your birthright. It took me a long time to learn the power of celebration. At the Thriving Mindfully Academy, we have 5 core commitments. But I'm going to talk about the last one because it's Savor Your Living, and that's all about celebrating. And in December of 2022, I turned 58, and I renewed my commitment to self-celebration. And let me tell you, baby, the first thing that I did in preparation for 58 was to book a trip with Afro Buenaventura Transformative Travel, created and hosted by Ronell Perry, to Salvador da Bahia, as they say, in Brazil. Right now, I am taking my first, did you hear me? My first small boat tour, or I would say trip. And this is big for me, just being here in the presence of my African ancestors, in good company, feeling safe and secure, feeling grounded, and what? Celebrating that I made it to 58, this beautiful age where I'm committed to ease, acceptance, joy, and abundance. So I'm going to leave you with that. What does self-celebration mean to you? What's getting in your way of celebrating yourself? And how can you celebrate yourself in small, medium, and big ways? If you'd like to get more information about me or the Thriving Mindfully Academy, go to anandalik.com/academy. I'm telling you, self-celebration is the ticket. It's your birthright. Ciao, ciao.